Hi guys, it's Mimi. I just got back from Canada and I bought some stuff at the Dollarama. That's their dollar store over there. It's kind of like their Dollar General, like the Dollar General in the United States, because not everything is exactly $1. Some things are $2 or $3, but I absolutely love it there. They have so much fun stuff, especially in the crafting section. So I'm just going to show you really quick everything I got. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to start off with the stickers because they had really great stickers. I found these Jolie's Boutique little like dimensional hats. They're like hard. I don't know what they're made out of, but I thought they were cute. And to be honest, I don't even know how much these were. I don't even know if it was a deal to get them because I didn't want them. Like, I just wanted to pick them up because they were at the dollar store. But I don't know how much they were, but I got these. I thought these were really cool. They were only $1.50. They're actually meant for your wall, as you can see here, but I thought they would look really cute on flip books if it was like a 6x6 like paged one or something like that. I don't know, I just thought they were really cute. And for $1.50, they're pretty nice quality. I always do this so you guys can see how thick they are, but sometimes it doesn't work out. But yeah, they're cool. I got 2 packs of these gold letter stickers. They are like chipboard. They're pretty cool. Some of them are falling off on the bottom here, as you can tell, but it doesn't stop them from working. I can always use some hot glue to stick them down. And I really like this, what do they call those, ampersands or something like that. I think that looks really pretty, so I picked up 2 packs of these. I'm probably going to share one in some Happy Meals. So I got those and only $1.50. I also got 2 packs of these glitter rhinestone butterfly stickers. I thought they were so pretty and only $1.25. And in US money, I'm pretty sure $1.25 is like $1 here. So that's a really good deal. You don't find stuff like this in the Dollar Tree usually. So I picked these up, thought they were really pretty. Got 2 packs, so I had one to share. I picked up 3 packages of these really pretty butterfly stickers. They're 3D, much like the ones at the Dollar Tree in the US, and they were only $1.25. They had this really pretty pattern, like design collection, I don't know, 2 green, purple, blue, white, yellow. You guys can see, but I think they're really, really pretty. Then they had the pink ones, of course, which I love so much. And then they also had this one, which I was only originally going to get those 2, but then I saw this with the cheetah, and I thought that was so cute, so I just had to pick it up. So moving on to like the flowers and embellishment things, I picked up, let's see, 3 packages. Ooh, there, just want something. I picked up 3 packages of these paper roses. They don't really look like roses. I'm not sure what they're supposed to be. I don't know. Maybe they are roses and I don't know my flowers. But I think they're really pretty. I got a nice like hot pink color, red of course, and then I got pink because last time I picked up ones that actually look like roses to me and I really liked using them, so I got these ones because I liked these ones even more. And then I also got these little sunflowers. I thought they were cute and like, I don't know, yeah, you guys can see that. They're kind of like, they have that raised back to them, so they'd be really cool to like put through like a little hole or something like that if you needed to, but I don't know, I just thought they were really cute and I know somebody who likes sunflowers, so I might make her something. And then I also picked up these like clothespins with the roses on there, and then they also have like tulle on there. And I know I could have made these myself, but with the tulle and everything, it's so much cheaper just to buy them because they were only $1.50. It's so much cheaper just to buy them and a lot easier to get them already made up. This is what just fell over there. This is a set of 3 little glass bottles. I thought this would be really fun to add sequins into and then share in an embellishment box. And for $1.25, you get 3 of them, so that's a really good deal. I also picked up these felt letters. They're just black letters and numbers. I thought they were cool, and I'm pretty sure these were only $1.25, but the things without prices, I'm not really sure how much they ended up bringing up. I think it's there like $1.25 if it doesn't have a price, but I don't know. I probably could have paid $5 for these and not even known it. I got 3 packs of these paper clips. These were only $1, so that was really cool because in US money, that's even cheaper. That's how me and my friends, when we go to Canada, we're like, but it's even cheaper because this is Canadian money. And that usually gets us into some trouble, but it's okay. We have fun. But I got some little hand paper clips, little light bulbs, and then I got little arrows. I thought they were really cute. And I have a lot of gold paper clips, but I don't have a lot of silver, so that's why I got 3 of those. I got this glue tape runner thing. I don't really know why, because I have one of these. I just need to buy a refill for it. But for $1.50, I thought, why not try it and see how I like it. I don't know, I was kind of just picking up a lot of random things. And then I also picked up some packaging tape because I needed it, and I thought, why not? I got 3 spools of ribbon. This one is like a silver little, it's kind of like faux leather, I think. Just little discs. I think they're pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that without the glare. I don't know. Sorry, but that's that. Silver. Then I got the same thing in gold. Maybe you can see that a little better. And then I got this really cool, like, white, I don't know, like, lace, lattice type looking ribbon. Only $1.50 for that, and I think it's pretty cute. I got 1 pack of cupcake liners. They had a bunch of really pretty ones, but I figured these would be the best for this time of year because they look a little summery. I like the teal color, and I thought they'd make really pretty cupcake like liner embellishments. So I'll probably make some of those and show you guys them in another video. I got some really cool bows to put on my packaging. I thought these just looked like unicorns. Everybody loves unicorns, so I picked them up. And then last but not least, I got this pack of mini paper clips because I actually used to have a ton of mini paper clips, and I was always like giving them away to people. I was like, I don't want these, I don't want these, somebody else take them. But I'm running low and I actually kind of miss them, so I got some more for $1.25. I thought, why not? So that is my little Dollarama haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I had a lot of fun shopping there. I'm going back again next month, so we'll see if I stop at Dollarama, and if I do, I will definitely show you guys what I bought. But I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye guys!